guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making this one pan roasted chicken and potatoes that is seriously so good and easy to make. My family loves this recipe so much and I am very sure you guys are going to enjoy it. So let's get started. Okay you guys, for this recipe we're using chicken drumsticks and chicken thighs. They are perfect for roasting. Make sure you drain your chicken very well and pat them dry with a paper towel. This way they roast better. So first things first, we're going to set the chicken aside to continue drying, then make a delicious marinade for them. In my bowl I have some olive oil. Into that I am adding melted butter. We're also adding Dijon mustard. I also have some paprika, garlic, and onion powder going in. Next, we're adding dried oregano and thyme. Brown sugar to balance the marinade and give it an amazing taste. Then we're going to season with salt and pepper. I'm also adding half of a mandarine. You can also use orange juice or a little bit of lemon juice. Go ahead and mix everything together, and this marinade, you guys, it is so good. This is seriously what makes the recipe. Alright, once you have everything combined, you're going to pour that all over your chicken. Then go in with your hands and coat the chicken in all of that marinade. Make sure you get it on every single part of the chicken. We don't want to miss out on any flavor. Once the chicken is completely coated, we're going to cover with saran wrap and let them marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. If you have time, you can go more than an hour. That way they really soak up all of those delicious flavors. So while the chicken is marinating, we're going to cut up some potatoes. I like to use red and yellow potatoes. I think they make the meal colorful. I'm going to cut each potato into 4 equal parts. Go ahead and place your potatoes into a baking pan. Then we're going to drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Mix everything together. Then when your chicken is done marinating, you're going to place them in between the potatoes. Make sure you move the potatoes around as much as you can to make space for the chicken. This way the chicken and potatoes can roast properly. Okay guys? Also, make sure you scoop out any excess marinade left in the bowl and pat that all over the chicken and potatoes. We don't want all that good flavor to go to waste. And for additional flavor, I have some sliced onions and fresh rosemary. I'm going to stick them in between the chicken and potatoes. Then this goes to bake at 425 Fahrenheit for an hour and 10 minutes to an hour and 20 minutes until the potatoes are fully cooked through. Also guys, after about 50 minutes of baking, if you notice the chicken is browning too quickly, you can move it one step down away from the top heat, okay? And here it is out of the oven, looking so delicious and super flavorful, you guys. While this is still hot, I like to add some freshly chopped parsley and it is ready to be enjoyed. This meal came out so good. The chicken is very nice and well roasted and the potatoes came out so yummy. It's a very easy, delicious one-pan dinner. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. When you try this recipe, don't forget to send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.